Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome to Sri Sai Adhan Online Tuitions. My name is Rajesh Ramarao, BSc B.Ed. In this video of class 8, the subject is physics. We are going to discuss about the topic called matter. What is the topic, students? Matter. Dear students, as everything in and around, which is the materials or the objects which are present around us, they occupy some space. I was traveling in my car. When I sat, I occupied some space on the driving seat. My son was sitting beside me. He occupied some space beside me. I was very hungry. I went to a restaurant to have some food. I ordered it. I sat on the chair. He gave me a dish. The dish occupied the space on the table. When I place a pen in my pocket, it occupies some space and it has mass over. When you keep your book on the study table, the notebook or the textbook occupies the space. So many examples are there, my dear students. The lunch box which you keep in your bag, in the bag, the lunch box occupies the space and it has a mass. So we define all these things as a matter. We define them as a matter. How? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. You can write example, your pen, the textbook, your mobile phone, students, which you use for your online classes. Now, not only now, students, what is matter made up of, we are discussing and talking. Since earlier days, the ancient times, when the civilizations came into existence, from that time onwards, they were trying to know actually what matter is made up of. According to the Greeks, they told that it is made up of 4 basic elements. What? The Greeks said that it is made up of 4 basic elements. They are your air, water, fire and earth. Air, water, fire and earth are the 4 basic building blocks of materials which are present. Am I clear? I write it down. The Greeks said that the 4 basic that is the basic building blocks of what? Of materials are air, water, earth and fire. But according to our Indian philosophers, not only Greeks, according to our Indian philosophers, they said that there are 5 elements. How many elements, students? There are 5 elements. What they are? All the kinds of materials. That is, this is according to the Greeks. Now, according to Indian philosophers, all kinds of materials are made up of. All kinds of materials are made up of five elements. These elements have the name as bhutas. What they are called, students? They are called as bhutas. The bhutas were, or the bhutas are, the point number one, the first one, आकाश. आकाश का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? आकाश का मतलब होता है स्काई. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ आकाश? आकाश का मतलब हो गया आपका स्काई. ये पहला हो गया आपका. दूसरा क्या है बेटा? वायु. वायु का मतलब, वायु का मतलब होगा हवा, एयर. तीसरा है तेजस. तीसरा है तेजस. तेजस जो है उसे कहेंगे फायर, आग. तेजस कहेंगे उसे आग. और चौथा जो है आप. आप नहीं, आप. आपका मतलब हो जाएगा बेटा पानी. आपका मतलब हो जाएगा पानी. और पांचवा जो लास्ट है उसे क्षिति कहेंगे. KSHITI. क्या कहेंगे बेटा? क्षिति. क्षिति का मतलब होगा भूमि, आपका अर्थ. So, students, not only the other people, not only the Greeks, our Indian scientists, they are also working and they have worked so much. So the Greeks said that there are four basic elements, that is the building blocks of matter. They are your air, water, fire and earth. But our Indian philosophers, they said that there are five elements and these five elements are known as bhutas. अब बेटा ये bhutas क्या होता है? They are आकाश means sky, वायु air, तेजस fire, up water, Shruti earth. Now, one of the great Indian philosopher named Rishi Kanad, he said that all the matter, irrespective of the physical state, whichever state it is, leave that, all the matter is made up of small particles. All the matter is made up of small particles. That small particles are known as anu, means atom. Now students, as the Indian philosopher Kanad, Rishi Kanad said that all the matter, irrespective of the physical state, it is made up of smallest particle called anu. Anu means atom. And in this modern era, the scientists, they have found so many number of elements. Hence, the building block of each particle present, the building block of each particle is known as elements, they said. And there are 118 elements present. How many students? There are 118 elements present. And how did they define an element? They defined an element as a substance which cannot be subdivided into two or more simpler substances by any chemical means. जो भी सब्सटेंस जो है उसे आप ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते हो. You cannot break the substance into simpler ones. by any chemical means, we call it as an element. What do we say? An element. Students, now matter can be made up of same kinds of elements or different kinds of elements. Matter is made up of same kinds of elements or different kinds of elements. Now if suppose the matter is made up of same kinds of elements, then the smallest particle which is present to make the particular element is called as an atom. So how do you define atom? The smallest unit of an element. The smallest unit of an element. When did I say this? That the matter is made up of same kinds of elements or different kinds of elements, right? If suppose the matter is made up of same kinds of elements, then the smallest particles which are present in the particular element, yes, the smallest particles which are present in the particular element are known as atom. So the atom is defined as the smallest unit of an element. Now, if it is made up of what? The matter is made up of different kinds of elements. Then what will be the smallest unit? Students, if it is made up of same kind of elements, then the smallest unit is atom. If it is made up of what? Again, matter, if it is made up of different kinds of elements, then what will be the smallest unit known as? The smallest unit will be known as a molecule. The smallest unit will be known as a molecule. So how do we define? It is the smallest unit of matter. The smallest unit of matter. Am I clear? Here, this molecule can exist independently, which has an independent existence and can retain complete physical and chemical properties of what? Of matter. Am I clear, students? Did you understand till here, students? So this is the introduction part of matter for class 8th, and this is part A, students. Meet you soon in part B. Please do subscribe our channel and keep watching it. Thank you very much.